Hi, it's Uncle Bob. I really enjoy flying at the Apollo 11 RC field. The trouble with flying there with the DJI drones is you have to unlock the geo zone because you're in Class D airspace. Unlocking a Class D airspace or any restricted area using the DJI Flysafe database is a real pain in the backside. You have to do it from home, make sure it works, get approval, and once it's done, then you can head out and fly in the area where you like. Now that geofencing is gone in DJI, I'm going to take both my Mavic 3 and my Mini 3 Pro out to Apollo 11 field and see if I can launch them without unlocking geozones. My fingers are crossed. Cheers. Hi, it's Uncle Bob. Well, I drove out here to Apollo 11 field and the gate's closed, so I can't get in. But for my test purposes, I just want to see if I can get my drone up in the air. This is right next to it, so it should be under the same restriction. So let me check it out.
Hi, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.
Okay, so it's asking me to confirm. I did, so the main thing is to see if I can just get it up in the air. So here we go. Well, I've got it up in the air. I'm gonna read what the sign says. Ah, they're filming here. That's what's going on. Okay. So I'm just gonna fly to the gate. I don't want to disturb them doing a film. Very cool. Helicopter heading overhead. Oh, that's a real drag. They're filming something. I've flown here a million times, so I'm going to bring it up to like 200 feet and see if I can just see something. See if I can see something over there. I'm not going to go onto the property. Here we go. I don't see anything going on. Nope, we don't have anything happening, so that's too bad. How you doing? All right, so the question is, do I fly along the creek bed? There's a little breeze here, so I don't think I'm going to attempt it. So I'll just bring my drone back. All right. Too bad. I wanted to fly here. Okay. All right, so that's interesting. Okay, well that's the Mavic 3, so I can fly that here. So the next test is, the next test is to try out my Mini 3 Pro. All right, that'll be the next video. Okay, cheers. All right, so now we're paired. Okay. It's got the same message. Change the bound device to, uh-oh. 1 second here. One second. Have your cell phone. Make sure you put the personal hotspot. Turn it on. So now I turned it on. I should. Let me connect to the network. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, it's connected, so let's do this. Let's try this again. Okay, it's bound. All right, now we can test this puppy out. All right, we already got that message saying, do you take responsibility? Yes. Let's just try this. See if we can get it up in the air. All right. Mini 3 looks good. Fly it over to the gate, see if I get any weird messages. The gate's closed because of the fire and high winds. The drone today, now I know I can fly here now with the no geozones. Awesome. So, that's it. My GeoZone testing is complete.